I'm saying, let me. And one more time you do that, I swear. तुम समझ रहे हो मैं कितना इंटेंस रिसर्च करती हूँ. Many rooms to decorate. My brain doesn't function, you guys. तेरी छाती बात कर रही है.
That's called the 3D effect.
Wait for that guy to come home and howl like a hopeless romantic. Hi guys, welcome back to another episode of More Mau, and in today's video you're gonna have the Mia Biwi banter throughout. So yeah, I hope you enjoy this vlog. You guys asked for like a nice wholesome vlog and I feel it has turned out to be like that. If you're interested, please keep on watching. Hi guys, so today we are going to do house chores. We are in our work mode zone. Sahil is only doing awaz in this video. He doesn't talk. He just creates noise.
ASMR video मैं बना रहा हूँ and तू vlog बना रही है.
This is not ASMR. This is annoying me. Anyways, so I am done with people saying this house looks like your old house only. It's not. The hall का layout is kind of like that, but ये hall उससे double size का है. Anyways, so as you guys know, ये वाला corner is already done. I like it. But now it's time to do this side of the wall. Now this entire wall is 18.5 feet and we don't know what to do. Like we know what to do, but we're not going to tell you now.
And today also we're not doing that. We're doing the other two walls.
I'm saying, let me. So yeah, as my husband interrupted, and one more time you do that, I swear.
Control, Uday.
Marriage is this. Just getting on each other's nerves. Anyways, now this wall has this intercom here and you cannot remove it. So हमें लगा कि यहाँ पे हम frames करेंगे. So we are going to do 9 frames. We have picked it up from IKEA. I'm gonna take you to I'm gonna take.
अबे जल्दी बोल, कल सुबह पनवेल निकलना है.
You're going to take them to IKEA?
I'm gonna take you along with me. Let's go.
तुम हो तो सब अच्छा है.
One eternity later.
सैयारा तू तो बदनाम.
Come out of your सैयारा fever, Sahil.
It's not a fever. अच्छी movie है.
गाने अच्छे.
I didn't cry, but movie is good.
I didn't cry, so imagine. I cry in the weirdest of movies.
I feel it's overly hated.
It is, but it's also over the height. I am the one who takes calls of creative calls basically. So I've got this device. Now you know हम जब भी screws करते हैं तो they are never in the straight line, vertical or horizontal, and we are always like doing some mistakes. कितना भी we are cautious still. So I've got this. So I'm gonna show it to you what it does. So ये wall है and मुझे यहाँ पे lines कराने हैं. I'm gonna switch it on.
Because हमारा इलेक्ट्रिशियन भी कभी-कभी measuring tape से करता है तो भी लाइन ऊपर नीचे होती है. But yeah, this is a good.
So this, I don't know if you guys can see, but yeah, you can. So यहाँ से I can just like maneuver this and I can have straight lines. And then we'll know exactly. मैं ऊपर नीचे कर सकती हूँ. मतलब it's perfect this device. I'll link it for you guys.
Sure.
So yeah, तुम समझ रहे हो मैं कितना intense research करती हूँ. समझ रहे हो? पर मुझे credit ही नहीं मिलता है.
कौन नहीं दे रहा तुझे credit?
तू
ही है.
तू.
The next day.
Day 2 of getting our house together. कल बहुत कम footage था because we fought.
You know.
Oh wow, तेरी height बढ़ी अभी मुझे.
ऐसा रहता हूँ. तो तू कैसे दिखेगी?
तो तू 6'1" है तो मैं क्या करूँ? Yeah, so tell ना what happened like yesterday.
सच में बहुत ज़्यादा height है.
अब तू गया बेटा, अब तू गया देख.
We ended up fighting because creative जब काम होता है तब यही होता है guys.
बाप रे.
So the update is that we have put these 9 स्टिकर्स और हमने उसको ओवरनाइट थोड़ा सूखने के लिए छोड़ा हुआ है. एंड साहिल
We've also shortlisted 9 pictures जो डालने हैं वहाँ पे.
साहिल विल गो टुडे एंड गेट इट डन लाइक द प्रिंट. फ्रेम्स तो हमारे पास है, बट आज का एजेंडा है कि आफ्टर 1.5 months मैंने अमेजोन से रग ऑर्डर किया था. मैंने जून में प्लेस किया, अभी जुलाई खत्म हो गया, अगस्त चालू हो चुका है. एंड फाइनली यहाँ पे मुझे वो रग डालना है नीचे एंड इट्स फाइनली हियर. सो वी गोना पुट दैट टुगेदर. एंड मेरे पैक्स रूम में अभी वॉलपेपर लग रहा है, जो भी होने के बाद बताऊंगी. वो अंकल अभी लगा रहे हैं, उनका होने के बाद आई विल शो इट टू यू. बट या देन दिस टेबल, दिस वाइट वन, दिस माई फर्स्ट एवर टेबल दैट आई एवर बॉट फ्रॉम आईके. जब आईके नया था, सो इट्स लाइक वेरी क्लोज टू मी, बट वो अभी ऐसे म्हातारा हो गया है, वो लुढ़क रहा है हर जगह से. सो वी हैव टू फिक्स इट. बट regardless, we're gonna take that to my studio room, which is this side. So many rooms to decorate. My brain doesn't function, you guys. It is raining and look at this view, like magnificent. I love it. कुछ नहीं दिख रहा है आगे. I can see the sea from there, by the way. There is exactly the ocean, but you can't see anything right now. And this greenery, love it.
It's 1 AM. दिख भी नहीं रहा था मेरे कैमरा एंगल से. It's 1 AM
क्या
and
तू तेरी छाती बात कर रही है?
आईना इसका मुंह किधर है? ऊपर फर्स्ट फ्लोर पे देख भाई.
it's 1 AM. अभी हमें मन हुआ है. अभी I just came back home. I think an hour back.
देखो साहिल इतना लेट घर पे आता है गाइस, और मैं घर पे अकेली थी and I'm sick. He left me alone.
बाप रे. प्रिंट आउट घेऊन मी आला आहे एंड देन हम फिर हमें मन हो गया 2 दिन से हुक लटक रहे तो अभी पिक्चर्स लगा देने चाहिए. We should
And we should sit down and talk.
we
It's a
should
very
feel
weird angle.
good about ourselves. So yeah.
I feel good about myself every day.
Is it?
Yes.
Avijay?
Every day.
My classroom.
Welcome to your
So,
classroom.
Yeah.
Hmm.
The upper row is EV row.
Hmm.
EV with Manasi, EV solo, EV with me. And this is normal rows.
Hmm.
Main center is our Shadi Ka Varmala picture. Left is proposal. This is US. This is Korea. This is again us in US with EV. And this is Dubai. We have not included one country, Nepal.
Yeah.
Because हमें 9 ही frames करने थे. So I think we will not include that country. But हमारा जापान proposal में आ गया and US, Korea और दुबई इसमें आ गया.
Maybe we can swap EV का नीचे का picture. Because 2 US हो गए ना फिर. एक तो ये frames करना is so मुश्किल. We have fought with these because of these and frames. मतलब अभी अच्छे लग रहे हैं frames.
अच्छा लग रहा है कि नहीं?
But
guys?
in real life there are like that, like टेढ़े मेढ़े ऐसे.
That's called the
Because every
3D
scoop is
effect.
different.
It's called the एकदम coming in the face.
Yeah, but 9 frames is enough.
और countries जाएंगे तो और
So we are making something else for that to showcase our other travel. And for that you need to travel with me, which you don't.
मी तर खूप करतो भाई.
You. When I asked you after US, when are we traveling next? Next देखो ऐसे पसीने छूट
Next
गए.
year.
Like नहीं मेरा wedding season है वो.
वेडिंग सीजन में तू मेरे साथ ट्रैवल कर. मैं 10 सिटी घुमाता हूँ.
क्या वहाँ पे वापस जयपुर, उदयपुर, गोवा, सिलवासा, वही 4 सिटी.
एकदम gems of India.
They are gems of India, but how many times am I supposed to do it again and again?
Different properties.
2 days later.
Hi guys, so I have had such a crappy day. Like I'm having energy crashes. I don't know what's happening. So anyways, I had gone for a blood test today. Then I went for a sonography. Then पूरा दिन मैंने कुछ नहीं किया. I just like edited one reel and I was editing the vlog that you guys are watching right now. But I just wanted to vlog this. So this is my everyday routine at night. Okay, it's like 8:30. This is Sahil's general time to like come back home. So Sahil and I have each other's locations, okay, like Find My iPhone, because safety purpose. So like whenever he tells me that he's coming back home, like he's done with the meeting or whatever, so I keep tracking where he's, not in a creepy way, because I'm so like, I don't know, ever since we have gotten married, I don't know what it is, but like I wait for that guy to come home and how like a hopeless romantic. So yeah, I think he's about to reach. So I'm just going to vlog it for you guys, because this is like my routine at night. And then Evie goes mad because even she wants to join in whenever he comes. आज के मेन्यू में है गवार की सब्जी in this. Then we have some rice. And then we have मूंग दाल की दाल. Like not the tuar dal ki dal. Sahil's mom actually makes aisi dal, and I really like when she does it.
तूने खाई? इतनी कम बनाई थी उसने.
I know.
मेरा आधा राइस बचा है. गुड.
इतना ही खाऊंगा.
So we're done with our dinner and one episode of Vampire Diaries. Now it's 10:50 and it's time for Evie's walk.
We generally go at this time only to walk for
Around 10 p.m.
Yeah. Evie. चलो.
Go. Evie, come.
अभी बजे हैं रात के 11:30 and I have chosen to open the PR parcels. I think there are not a lot of them, like 2-3 ही है. 2 ही है शायद. So I'm just gonna open it and keep this in the duct area जहाँ पे dry कचरा store करना होता है. I have this huge, very heavy parcel and I have no idea ये आया कहाँ से. इसमें सिर्फ मानसी माऊ लिखा है. I'm just gonna open it. The box stinks. You know that cardboard smell? I hate that cardboard smell. And ये बारिश में तो गीला होके. What? I have a parcel from Fenty. Because clothes जितने महंगे क्या बोल रही, heavy नहीं होंगे. Because जब पापा ने उठाया तो पापा ने it's 10 kg.
Select Staples भी पहुंचा था.
Please lift this. It's very heavy. Careful. Fenty Skin Beauty. ये है वो. I saw one influencer's video right now. So खोलेगा तो ऐसा हो जाएगा.
कपड़े. Okay.
गिरेगा भी.
अच्छा. Nice.
I will make a video on this soon.
A little later.
Okay, let's do my nighttime skincare routine. आवाज थोड़ी गूंजेगी. Wow, I feel like I am talking to you guys after ages. Like I am genuinely talking to you guys after ages, and that to skincare. Like, wash your hands first. मैंने आज sunscreen लगाया नहीं था because, as I said, I was very gloomy today. So सुबह जल्दी उठ के I did my blood test and I was just like in bed. I had not done my skincare, and then I showered only at around 5 o'clock. There was no point in doing sunscreen. Anyways, I'm loving this face wash recently. Bhakti Didi actually introduced me to this while I was in the US. Yeah. First thing that I do after I wash my face is put a lip oil. It's weird, generally people do it at the end, but I have such dry lips that I cannot wait. Okay. पीछे कपड़े सूख रहे हैं. That's what a घर looks like. Plum का hydrating mist. Love it. It's the Marine Spring Water toning mist. Next up is my new favorite, and both of them are from Anua. I have recently started like using them. This is like my 3rd or 4th day. Not sponsored by the way. Genuine skincare जो भी मैं try कर रही हूँ, I'm telling you guys. So this is the PDRN plus Hyaluron hydrating collagen something serum. I need it. I need all sorts of collagen and hydrating things now that I'm aging. So I'm going to add a few drops. I have seen that my skin looks very like plump in the morning when I use this. Next up is the retinol serum by Anua. Now this is a pretty strong one, so I wouldn't recommend you guys to try it unless your skin is used to retinols. Now I have used 0.1 and 0.15% for years now, like 2-3 years say I have been using retinols. So my skin is kind of used to it. But even before trying this, so last 3 दिन as I said, I'm trying these two products. So what I did was I did short contact for last 2 days. So I was just putting this serum and इसके ऊपर ये for like an hour, and then I was washing it off like with normal water, and then just moisturizer. That's it. And it hasn't broken me out, so that is why now it's safe for me to use it overnight. So whenever you're using new serums which are actives, especially retinols, you have to do short contact. You can start with 15 minutes, and retinols are supposed to be used only this much pea size. That's it. Don't overload your skin with it. And I generally avoid retinols around the crevices of my nose and under eyes, because वहाँ पे skin मेरी बहुत पतली है, and then the skin barrier gets damaged and then I get very red. Now generally people use retinol directly after like the toner, but I have added this serum which is like a film, so retinol फट से ऐसे मेरे skin पे act नहीं करेगा. So I like to sandwich the retinol. I think you must have heard the method sandwiching, like skincare sandwich. So retinols are generally supposed to be sandwiched. So first I put a hydrating serum, then the retinol, and then I'm again going to add a hydrating mist on this. You can add a moisturizer, but then my skin becomes very heavy, and right now it's very humid. So thandi mein maybe I will add like a proper thick moisturizer, but right now I don't feel like it, and I don't want to touch my skin. I want the retinol to like stay put, so I'm just going to add this spray. Now I have 2 hydrating mists. Whenever I don't want to touch my skin, it's too irritated, or on plains, I like to use these. This is the Estura Atto Barrier Cream Mist. I love this stuff. Estura is now on Nykaa, but they don't have this product. And I bought this while I was in the US last time, not this time. And it's about to get over. I should have picked up a backup, but I forgot. But good news is कि इसका dupe, almost dupe, is by Laneige. You can see I've used it. This is the Laneige Cream Skin Mist. So I'm just gonna add this. That's it. Don't touch your skin, let it get absorbed. Done. I do eye creams also, but right now I'm not doing it. I'm too tired. आज मेरे body से 5 बाटली खून निकला है, मतलब not bottles, test tubes, because the tests were so much that she took 5 test tubes of blood. But yeah, my baba was there, so everything went smooth. Chaos. Also, if you guys think that my skin is looking flawless, then it's not. It's only because of the lighting. There are so many comedones that you guys probably can't see. Let me decrease the brightness. Can you see the spots? There's a comedone here. Can you see this? So yeah, don't be fooled by the lighting. And we don't purposely do it. It just happens so that the lighting is flawless, and I have yellow lighting all over my house. Right now I've changed the settings of this camera to white lighting, because a lot of you guys, not a lot, 2-3 girls commented that they want to see the natural color and not the yellow lighting. And I think skincare के लिए and makeup के लिए I should have white, otherwise hall walls के लिए चल जाता है. But yeah, this is the real lighting. येलो है यहाँ पे बट मैंने वाइट किया है. ऑल्सो आई फॉरगॉट टू शो यू गाइज द वॉलपेपर. ऐसा दिख रहा है, मस्त है ना. आई लाइक इट, वेरी सटल. आई फील वॉलपेपर्स चेंज द हाउस क्विकली, like this. This is the plain wall जो यहाँ पे भी थी, and now it looks like this. Alright, so guys, so that is it for today's video. If you're wondering why I'm wearing glasses, it's because you can see that the glare is way too much. The sun is very, very angry. But yeah, that is it for today's video. I hope you liked it. And in today's video, I want you guys to comment that one part that you found the cutest, or like you smiled, or it just made you happy. Okay, let's chat. I'll reply to all of you guys as much as I can, and I'll see you next time. Until then, stay positive and stay happy. Bye bye.